Welcome to your blessed life now, and this little segment I'm calling What's Todd Doing? I am constantly going outside to check on my husband to make sure he's safe. Oh, and check out this awesome farm attire. So nice when you can wear your pajamas and flannel shirts.
So this is my life with my husband. What you doing up there, squirrel?
Hey, I'm just getting ready for summertime and gonna put a BAF up here.
I bet that's a big A fan.
Yeah.
Well, that'll be good. Awesome. Be careful up there.
It'll be cool and dry.
Pretty awesome to have this topper on your truck for jobs like
this
that.
ladder is as tall as it goes,
Yeah.
but yeah, I could advertise for the company that makes these to do one more about them.
Yeah, that's awesome.
Yeah,
Very practical.
It'll actually hold 1,600 pounds.
Nice. Awesome.
So I got a lot of weight to gain before I can crush it.
All right. Sure is. Too
Did
hot.
you hear we had a 9 o'clock curfew now?
We gonna get in trouble? We're gonna get a spanking?
All right. I sit on the porch at 9:05 and drink a beer. I might get in trouble.
All right. Let's see it. Nice. So it's obviously not the name brand Big A Fans, but it is a big fan. Nice. Oh man, that puts out the air for sure. Oh yeah, that's gonna help you a lot. I like it. Good job, Todd.
Yeah. Isn't that awesome?
Fighting that coronavirus.
Well, you know, you're supposed to take whatever the virus is and build your immune system up.
I like that. I like that logical thinking. Right, Lucille?
Yeah, that's right.
That's right. Love her. She's the faithful kitty.
She's an old girl.
Oh, girl. Oh, girl. She's a sweet girl.
Well, that's it for this segment of Your Blessed Life Now. Be sure to subscribe so that you can receive more fun, crazy, awesome episodes as I continue to follow my husband around. You might learn something. Right, Jackson?